morning everyone. My name is John Philip Gamboa and I'm going to report the volleyball reference linesman and scores what are their responsibilities. So ano nga ba yung mga responsibilities ng mga linesman and scoreman? So first, the first referee aka the first official aka the up referee starts the match, judge play and calls the technical fouls, assign points and side out as they occur to each qualifying team and also makes the final decision questionable. So when we say fourth referee, ito yung taga-decide or taga-start ng mga play sa volleyball. Like for example, dalawa kasi yan eh, first referee at second referee, which is the first umpire, yung nasa right side na siya lahat manggagalingan yung mga decision na gagawin sa laro. Or like for example, nakafocus lang siya sa play or sa net violation sa volleyball. So, second one is, he or she is called the up referee because they climb up and call the game from an elevated volleyball stand. So, what I said before, no, na siya yung andun din sa taas. Dalawa kasi sila eh, first referee siya second referee. So, the first referee watch the blockers for net touch, for the double hit, if technical fouls, timeout has started play with a whistle blow to its server. So, yung tungkulin ng fourth referee ay masyadong marami din. Like, sa mga linesman na nakafocus lang sila sa lines or in, outside or violation. Nakafocus din yung first referee sa mga violation ng mga rotation ng mga players or mga net touch like doubles, double settings, mga ganun po. So, ito po, dyan po yung like for example, yan po yung example ng first referee. Here are the few more responsibilities of the first referee. Before the match starts, the first referee inspects the balls, the court equipment like the net and antenna and inspect the condition of the play area. So, syempre, napakahalaga niyan, di ba? Like, so, to aware the injury of the player para maiwasan yung mga hindi magandang mangyayari sa play area. Like for example, check niya talaga yung bola bago gamitin, mga net, kung okay ba to, kung yung antenna, kung naka-align ba talaga sa lines playing area. So, and lastly, the venue, kung madulas, like the playing ground, kung madulas ba yung floor bago mag-start yung laro. Check lagi yan ng first referee. Hindi lang yung first referee, pati yung second referee, nakafocus din yan sa ganyang bagay. So, they perform the coin toss with the team captain and moderate the beginning and ending time for warm-up. So, when we say toss coin, dapat yung makikipag-toss coin dyan, which is the captain ball ng volleyball team. And, syempre, kailangan niya, yung captain ball dyan is, which is meron siyang armband like kulay blue, yung armband na meron siya sa right hand niya. So, during the match, the first referee will issue warning to teams. Yan po, during the match. Cup section, misconduct, delays of the game, and decide on possible fault of the players in service and position of the serving team watching closely on screen. So, bago po mag-start yung play, kakausapin muna ng first referee yung mga players, rego captain, kung ano yung mga, syempre, para ma-aware sila sa mga violations. So, the faults that can occur when the ball is being played. So, attack and fault committed by the libero, they jump and attack the ball making contact when the interval is above the level of the net. So, end of the match, they check the score sheet and sign it. Ayun nga po, after ng game, yung mga umpire, first umpire at saka second umpire, which is magsasign sila sa scoring ng laro para mapatunayan na tunay yung laro na naganap nila. So, the second referee is across from the first referee on the opposite side of the net, officiating the game from the ground. So, gaya nga ng first referee na sinabi ko kanina, halos same lang din sila ng responsibilities sa laro, which is sa right side yung first referee and sa magkakanlang sila, intersect silang dalawa. So, the second referee, one of the volleyball officials, sometimes known as the down referee, assists and support the first referee mainly by calling fouls that occurs under the net under the net. So, ito po, napaka-crucial po yung mga second referee at saka first referee din. Kasi, pag may violation or foul na tinawag yung first referee, kailangan muna kakausapin niya yung second referee. Mag-uusap muna sila before sila mag-decide kung ano ba talaga yung tunay nangyari. Kahit may con pa yan, may video pa yan or what, gagaling pa rin sa referee yung mga decisions sa laro. So they watch team rotation order to make sure players are in the right position. So yan po yung responsibility ng second referee, which is siya yung nakafocus sa mga rotation position ng mga players around the playing area. So second, which is foot committed by the server or drop rope hitter. So number 3, answer the question, monitor the score and player substitute and out of the substitution zone. So syempre, yung second referee din ay doon din pumupunta yung mga players na makikipag swap or substitute din sa same player din na on the ground. So number 4, also looks to the linesman for judgment calls when needed. So when we say yung second referee ay makikipag-participate din siya sa second linesman kung ano yung tunay na nangyari. Like for example, inside or outside, manggagaling din dun sa second linesman at makikipag-participate sa second referee. So they also watch player on the team branch who are in the wrap-up controls and help monitor both teams, time out, communicate with the scorer at the score table. So like what I said before na kailangan din makikipag-participate din yung second referee sa mga scorer na sa playing area. And then, nakafocus din siya sa kung magta-timeout ba yung coach ng isang team, doon din pumupunta or doon din sila nagsasabi sa second referee. Ayan po yung second referee natin. And then, at the beginning of the match, at the beginning of each set, the second referee check each team rotation based on how coach has entered their starting lineup on the lineup sheet. During the competition, they whistle and signal. So, ayan nga po, what I said before na kailangan chine-check ng second referee yung kung ano yung rotation ng mga players. Kasi, like for example, on the playing area, 6 sila, di ba? Pag nagkamali yung rotation nila, mali yung on-the-spot rotation ng mga players in the playing area. Ayun po, si second referee, siya yung magsasabi sa first referee kung good rotation ba o bad rotation. Mag-usap po silang dalawa. And then, at the penetration into the opponent court over the net or under the net. Ayun po, nakapokus din po yung second referee dyan. And any overlap or out position pulled by the team in service receive. Ayun po, kapag double setting or lumagpas po sa line service. And back row issues like back row player coming into the front, block and reversers jumping to hit balls that completely above to the top of the net. So, back row attack yung nanggagaling ka sa likod or hindi ka naman talaga ikaw yung magiging spiker nila, pero ikaw yung attacker, magkakaroon yan ng fall at maging score na yung kalaban. Diyan, nakafocus din po si second referee together with first referee. So, anytime the ball touch the floor when the first referee can see where or how it landed at the end of the match. And the second referee will check the score sheet and sign it. Gaya nga po ng first referee, mag-check din or magsasign din si second referee dun sa scoring sheet. At yun lamang po. Hi Sir Tito, love you.